That didn't mean when I be bringing all this type of money and shit. Hey man, niggas gotta eat. You shooting today? Got any editing or anything to do?
Yeah, man, you know we stay working, man.
Who you had up in there?
One of my young boys, man. He got a couple songs on the radio, you know. Getting them right and ready.
The Ocean shit sounding crazy.
Man, that shit ready.
I'm gonna go up in there probably tomorrow if you got time. Cook up them verses.
Yeah, man, I always got time for you, man. You know what it is.
Call Moretta because she's the one that keeps talking and asking if we got everything set up. Is Nadia gonna change outfits or no? Here, can you take all this money? Count to 10. When we flying out?
Takeoff time is T-minus 30 minutes. Estimated time arrival is 6 p.m.
We got a half, might as well blow something, you know what I mean?
If I let it drip, she need